How to cancel a booking.com reservation. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open booking.com and log into your account. Then, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen in your booking.com website. After you click on your profile, click on Bookings and Trips. Then you'll find your booked trip. Simply click on it. After you click on it, you will find this kind of screen. On the right side, click on Cancel Your Booking. After you've clicked on Cancel Your Booking, select a reason to cancel. On the right side, you will also find cancellation fee. If there is any fee, it will cut from your card. If not, you can press on Continue at the bottom and it will cancel. And this is how to cancel a booking.com reservation. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.